Hi, I'm Stacey Page. Welcome to the 5-Minute Fix podcast, weekly meditations to soothe, heal, and inspire. As within, so without. We know that transformation in our outer world begins within, cleansing away stuck, stagnant energy, unprocessed emotions, self-limiting ideas, beliefs, and thought patterns. Today we're going to do a deep clean of our inner environment, paving the way for your manifestations to unfold with grace and joy. Let's dive in. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly, feeling your body soften and settle. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present. Inhale, feel your chest rise. As you exhale, let go of any tension you may be holding. Continuing to let each exhalation be an invitation to release, to clear space for something new. Now imagine yourself in a quiet room. This room represents the inner space of your mind and your heart. As you look around, you notice that the windows are dim. The corners are filled with cobwebs. There's a fine layer of dust, even a little grime that has settled over everything. This is the residue of old stories, unprocessed emotions, and thought patterns that no longer serve you. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, imagine a soft breeze beginning to stir the air around you. With each exhalation, this breeze grows stronger, gently sweeping through the room, clearing the dust from the surfaces. Visualize the cobwebs dissolving into the air, disappearing as the breeze moves through them. Notice how with each breath, this cleansing energy flows more easily. See how the old stories, limiting beliefs, the emotions that have been stuck in the corners of your mind are now loosening. Allow them to lift and drift away, carried by the wind, dissolving into nothingness. Take a moment to feel into the space you are creating within yourself. The windows of the room are becoming clearer. The light is shining through. And the air feels fresh, light, and vibrant. Each inhalation now brings in clarity, peace, and new energy. The more clear and open your inner space becomes, the more light and beauty reflects outward into your life. slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel your breath. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one last deep breath, inhaling the freshness and clarity you have created within. As you exhale, let it ripple out into the world around you. When you're ready, open your eyes. For meditations, tips, tools, inspiration, and guidance delivered weekly to your inbox, sign up at staceypage.com. Namaste, everyone.